Good morning, guys.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm good. Feel good, sir.
Okay, good. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together and pray start. Pray finish. Okay, let me check your attendance first. When I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Ananta,
Present, sir.
Iza,
Present.
Nabila.
Present.
Okay, good. No one absent today. Let me ask you first. Do you often see big brands like Google, Coca-Cola, and Vogue? What do you think? Why are the font used in this logo so different from each other, even though they are just text?
So they look cool, sir. Maybe so it match the product, sir. So they are easy to remember, sir.
Yeah, that's all true. After this, we're going to focus more on finding out what the real function of each font type in brand logo. Uh, today, today we are going to learn about digital branding with a focus on typography. The objective of today's learning is to describe the type of typography, to analyze the correlation typography and brand identity, and to identify the type of typography. And for the learning concept today will be done individually. Okay, guys? Okay, last week we learned about product logo in general, right?
Right, sir.
And today we're going to talk about typography, which is super important for a logo. Do anyone know what typography is?
Typography is like a writing or font used in a logo, right, sir?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Typography is the kind of lettering that used to make a logo looks cool and match the brand identity. Now, there are few types of typography. Does anyone know any of them?
I think there is serif and sans serif.
Good. There are four main types that often use from serif, sans serif, script, italic font, and display or decorative. Let's go through them one by one. First, serif. Does anyone know what serif looks like from this logo?
It's the one we hit at the end of the letter, right, sir? Like the front logo.
Exactly. Serif makes a logo look classy and elegant. For the example are the logo of Vogue and Tiffany.co. And now, what about sans serif?
It's one that's plain, right? No feet at the end.
Good. Sans serif gives a logo a modern, simple, and clean look, like the Google logo. And what about script italic font? Any idea?
Like the writing, sir, like the Coca-Cola logo.
Perfect. Script italic font looks like handwriting and make a logo look artistic and personal. And lastly, display or decorative. Does anyone know?
That's the one with a really unique style, sir. Like the Disney logo.
Good. Display or decorative logo makes logo super eye-catching. Now, why do you think choosing the right typography is so important?
So that it matches the brand identity, so.
Good. Okay, typography helps create a strong brand impression. Now, here are some quick tips to make your logo look awesome. The first is choose a font that fits your brand personality. If you want elegant logo brand identity, you can choose serif. If modern, you can choose sans serif. And creative, you can choose script italic font. And the second, make sure it's readable, even when it's small or in black and white. Third, stick to a maximum of 2 fonts so it doesn't like messy. And fourth, pay attention to spacing to keep it neat. And fifth, pick a timeless font that stays relevant. And the Next one, test it of different size and on different background. The last one is if you want to stand out, consider creating a custom font. So, do you guys have an idea of which typography you like to use for your logo?
Yes, sir.
Good. Later, you will get to try creating your own online logo using the right typography. Are you ready to explore further?
Ready, sir.
Good. Okay guys, since we have finished the lesson today, I've got a quick quiz for you. And I will show you a logo and you just need to mention the correct typography type and give the reason. And I will call you randomly. Are you ready guys?
Ready, sir.
Okay, the first is Sony logo. What type of typography is used in the Sony logo? Ananta?
Serif, sir,
Correct. Why do you think so?
because it has small feet at the end of the letter, giving it a classic look.
Nice. Next logo is Samsung. What typography is that?
Sans serif, sir,
Exactly. Why?
because the letters are simple, clean, and modern without any feet.
Good. Now, uh, fourth logo. What typography is that?
Script italic font, sir,
Why is it? Why is it?
because it looks handwritten, giving a personal and elegant touch.
Good job, everyone. Okay, looks like all of you got it right and gave a awesome reason. That means you really understood today's lesson. Well done, guys. So, who wants to summarize today's material? Raise your hand if you want to try. Ananta, okay.
So today we learned about different typography types like serif, sans serif, script, and display or decorative, along with their characteristics and example in logo, sir.
Good. The conclusion is that typography is a key element in logo design that convey brandidentity and character. Each type, from serif, sans serif, script, italic font, and display, has its own function and impression. Choosing the right typography helps make a logo more attractive, readable, and aligned with the brand personality. Okay, for the next week assignment, you will search for 3 product logo and identify their typography type and write down the reason why that typography fits the brand identity. Got it, guys?
Got it, sir.
Okay. I think you all understand the material and the assignment that I explained. And before we end today's class, let's pray together. Pray start. Pray finish. Thank you for your attention and your participation today. And see you at the next meeting, guys.
See you, sir.